Good night, teacher. Hello, how are you? My name is Lourdes Vega. I am 47 years old. I am from and live in Tegucigalpa, Honduras. I am studying laws. I am working as head secretary. I am visiting Yuscarán, El Paraíso. I am very white t-shirt, jeans, sneakers, and a nice blue jacket. I am good looking woman with curly blonde hair. I am used glass because the weather is sunny and I like it. Yuscarán is lovely town with beautiful people and delicious food. I am eating rice, beans, avocado, cheese, and salad, and fish. This is my favorite food. I am so I am so happy and excited because learning about Yuscarán. She is my best friend. Her name is Yamilet. She is 38 years old. She is from Tegucigalpa, Honduras. She lives in Elato. She is studying at college. One day, she wants to be teacher. She was selling cakes. She paid her studies. She is wearing a white t-shirt, jeans, and sandal. She is a short woman with dark hair. She is celebrating my happy birthday because she loved me. She is very special with me. My friend Jamilet and are going a pool day. We are visiting Cantaranas. This is our favorite place to visit. We are swimming in the pool about 4 hours. The water is delicious. They were walking across to the green field. There are too many trees. We love this place because it's outdoor. The water is sunny, nice, and fresh air. We are going every month to relax. Finally, we think that Cantaranas is the best and beautiful place. Thank you.